Hi everyone, this is Anant Prakash. I am a data journalist and I am helping people use Google Sheets in their day-to-day lives. And towards this effort, I have created a series of videos where I am helping people learn simple formulas like VLOOKUP, SUMIFs, and other sort of functions like conditional formatting, data validation, and all the things, the beautiful things that Google Sheets offer. So in this final video I am helping you to create a sheet which you can use on your month-on-month basis. This is a sheet which helps you track your monthly expenses, see how much money you have saved in every month, and then you will be also able to automatically get an indication if you are going over budget. So let's get to this sheet. You can see this is a July month sheet. I'll share the template with you, and you can just change the name of the month and you can start from zero. The first step that you need to do, let me create a template for you. Duplicate. I'll be naming it as template. Now I will be deleting all the expenses that I have made. So this is how it is. So this is now a brand new sheet for any month. You just need to type in month. 8th, it will become August. You just need to type in 9th, it will become September. Okay. So the first step that you need to do is input your salary. So let's say if my salary is around 50,000 rupees, and if I'm getting any income from dividend, stocks, or any other source of income that I can enter here, and then it will automatically add my total income. Since I have not started adding any kind of expenses, my total expenses are zero. My remaining balance is also 52,000 rupees because entire income is saved. 100% income is saved. The second step that you need to do is budgeting. You need to budget. You need to allocate a certain amount of money to each and every head of your expenses. So let's say you have food, then you have to know like how many members in your family, and would grocery be a right name of the category, and it will have to be changed here as well. It needs to be grocery or any other thing that you want to. If you want to add another category, more categories, you can add more categories from here. You need to apply to all, yes. And now you can add all the grocery items in this list. Now maybe you are thinking, okay, I would add around now maybe you are thinking that I would add around 40% of my money in groceries. So 40% of 50,000 would be around 20,000 rupees. It will be 20,000 rupees. And so on. You can allocate money to different kind of heads. There is a head called health, there is a head called hobbies, shopping, transport, utilities. Under utilities you can have features like house rent, house repair, or electricity bill, stuff like that. And this circular bar as donut chart is showing you that you have 52,000 rupees money saved. And the more I add money in in a transaction in this sheet, let's say movie tickets, category is entertainment, and I have spent, let's say, 700 rupees. Oh, did you see that it has gone red? It has gone red because I have allocated only 500 rupees in entertainment. So you can see that it works. Every time you will exceed your allocation of money, your budget sheet will let you know that, oh, you are exceeding your budget. Then you can check whether you want to continue going with your exceeding budget, or you want to like stop, take a break. And now you can see that there is something happened in my donut chart as well. This is where you can see that, okay, money has been spent, so your money has been deducted. So this will dynamically tell you that how much money is in your account, and how much money is in this sheet. Not sorry, I mean to say how much money is in your account. This sheet will tell you. So this is how you can use this sheet. I hope you will like it. And if you have liked this series and this video in particular, then please like and subscribe, and kindly share this video with whomever you want to like help using sheet for like tracking their monthly expenses. I'm sharing the link of this video of this template as well, so which you can make a copy of this template, so you can use this template on your own. And if you ever come across any problem, you can leave a comment. I'll come and like help you fix it. So yeah, thank you so much for having me and being with me. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.